Welcome to Chithi Amma's channel. Today from my garden to table recipe, I'm going to make long bean stir fry or Payathankai curry. Let's go into our backyard garden to get some for today's cooking. I got some seeds from Sri Lanka from my friend here. These are purple and green long beans and taste really good. This year I had a good harvest of these beans, but have to fight a lot with those garden insects like aphids. Okay, I got enough for today's cooking and let's go inside the kitchen now. Let's see the ingredients. For this, we need long beans, onions, tomatoes, garlic, coconut milk, green chilies, mustard seeds, fenugreek, fennel seeds powder, turmeric powder, curry leaves and some salt. I got about little less than a pound beans. I am breaking the beans into about 2 inches. Now let's heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to crackle. Add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek. Now add half cup chopped onions. Saute the onions till slightly golden color, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add some curry leaves. Since I have so much curry leaves in my backyard, I love to add more. Now some green chilies. I'm adding about 3 Thai chilies from my garden, but it's optional. If you don't like that, you can skip it. Cook it on a medium flame. Add about 3 cloves garlic. Saute it a little bit. Now add 1/4 cups tomatoes. I'm adding about 8 cherry tomatoes. That's also from my garden. And saute it a little bit. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it. Salt to taste. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons. Mix it. Now add the beans and saute it for a while. Stir it frequently to avoid burning. The organic beans from my garden cooks very fast and tastes so good. Cover it and cook it in a medium flame for about 4 minutes. You can reduce the cooking to 3 minutes if you like. If it looks too dry, you can add about 2 tablespoons water or coconut milk and cover and cook it. After about 3 to 4 minutes from the time I added beans, add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds powder. Mix it. Add 1/4 cup of coconut milk and mix it. After about 1 minute, you can turn off the stove. It's all cooked now. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Chithi Amma. See you soon with another garden to table recipe.